heading to Imo State from Anambra State.
Ekwulobia is one of the most vibrant and fast-growing towns in Anambra State, Nigeria. Located in the heart of Agwata local government area, it serves as a major commercial, cultural, and transportation hub connecting many parts of the state. For anyone traveling across the southeastern region, Ekwulobia is a town you can hardly miss. It's full of energy, stories, and a deep sense of Igbo identity. This is going to be a long ride, so before we start, let's eat first.
How are you? So what's this? Agri jollof. Is it delicious?
It's delicious.
Are you sure?
Just let's confirm.
So we're still in Anambra State. From Anambra, going to ride to Imo State. Starting from this town called Ekwulobia. And from Ekwulobia, we'll connect to a place called Oga. Then from Oga, Akokwa. In Akokwa, we'll go to Orlu. We just passed Oga Junction and we're heading towards Akokwa. I'm still fresh, I'm just climbing this hill. It's a little bit rolling hill. Okay, I see there's a road construction going on here in Anambra section. This is Oga Road, heading towards Akokwa. We're now approaching the boundary between Imo State and Anambra State. Okay, I see road construction going on here. I should have used my mountain bike, not the road bike. Wrong choice of bike. Ooh. This is the boundary between Anambra and Imo State. Goodbye from Anambra, light of the nation. Drive safely. Anambra is waiting to receive you again. I officially welcome you to Imo State. We are now in Akokwa. What's this? Okpa. Egone. 500. Odoto. Nga. This is Okpa. I thought it's only Enugu State that have Okpa. In the Enugu. This is Akokwa.
Excuse me?
Hello.
The one that's riding the assistance of Nigeria.
Yes.
The one I saw, they stopped at police stopped at Aba.
Yeah. On the bridge, yeah.
Wow.
Correct.
Wow.
Aba, yeah.
Right.
Wow, it's so good to see you here.
Yeah.
I have a fan in Akokwa.
Wow. Yes. That day you walk Box something, right?
Yeah.
Which you can wear with your masquerade festival. You have liked it a lot. Well, my name is Eze Chigozie.
Eze Chigozie.
Yes, I have the biggest printing press here.
In Akokwa.
Yes, both on Luzon.
Both on Luzon?
Yes, my office is there, Spencer Digital Press. Spencer Digital Press.
Spencer Digital Press. You pay for this advert?
Alright, my man.
Okay, thanks, man. Good to meet you. Well done.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
What makes Akokwa special is the spirit of its people. They are hardworking and accommodating. Akokwa is a town in Imo State blessed with a rich culture and kind-hearted people. This town sits at the boundary between Imo State and Anambra State, making it a strategic location for trade and interaction between communities. For a long time, there was no direct road access to this town due to erosion. Just for context, let me show you how this road used to look before and how it looks now. This is commendable. Kudos to the people of Imo State. I hope to see more of this across the state.
We have 2 kilometers to get to Orlu. After this hill, then the next town is Orlu. Orlu, local government in Imo State. It's been a great ride so far, and I enjoyed this one because of the moi jollof that I ate in Anambra State. Yeah. When I finish this hill, that will be my cardio for the rest of the month. I'm not sure I'm gonna ride again for this month. Welcome to Orlu. We left Anambra at 3 p.m. and it's exactly 5 minutes to 6, which means we rode for about 3 hours. 2 hours, 55 minutes. Although we stopped to eat, and also due to the road construction that was going, the road wasn't smooth. They are constructing the road, so the movement wasn't all that smooth.
Orlu is one of the most influential and fast developing cities in southeastern Nigeria. It stands proudly as the economic, cultural, and political center for the Orlu Senatorial Zone, a region known for its industrious people, strong traditional institutions, and thriving business life. It's often described as the second city of Imo State, after Owerri. Orlu represents the perfect blend of modern development and deep-rooted Igbo culture.
What is it?
Bread buns.
Bread buns. Bread buns in Orlu. Do you eat it with this one? Is it different?
Yeah, water leaf.
Water leaf and bread buns. You mix it together. No, she's selling bread buns and water leaf. Maybe they mix it together to eat. This is the bread buns. How much is it? 200. Oh, yeah, take now. Do you want to eat? Okay, okay. Come and take. Okay, take. That's 3. Okay, all of them. Then this one.
In recent years, Orlu has seen noticeable infrastructural growth. Modern roads, business plazas, and residential estates are gradually reshaping the city's skyline. Thank you for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, please like, share and subscribe for more interesting adventures like this. My name is Edward Wonder. I will see you in the next vlog. Bye for now.